Good morning, student. Today we are going to continue chapter 3rd Plant Kingdom. In my previous video, we have discussed about the general characteristic of gymnosperm. We read the morphology of gymnosperm, external morphology of leaf, stem and root. Then we read the general characteristic of gymnosperm, that Gymnosperm are heterosporous. They produce haploid microspores and megaspores. Microspores in male strobili and megaspores is in female strobili. Okay. Today we are going to continue this topic, reproduction. Reproduction in gymnosperm. Student, in my previous video we already talked that gymnosperm are heterosporous. Heterosporous, that means they produce haploid microspores and megaspores. Student, in gymnosperm दो तरीके के स्पोर्स प्रोड्यूस हो रहे हैं विद इन स्पोरेंजिया. Always remember, spores are produced within sporangia that are born on sporophyll, okay, which are arranged spirally along and exist to a form of compact स्टोबिली. एंड स्टोबिली को ही हम कोन कह रहे हैं. ओके, आइदर यू कॉल मेल एंड अ फीमेल कोन और यू कैन से मेल स्टोबिली एंड फीमेल स्टोबिली. समझ में आया? जो दो अलग अलग टाइप के स्पोर्स होते हैं वो स्पोरेंजिया के अंदर होते हैं और स्पोरेंजिया अराइज होता है स्पोरोफिल में. ठीक है. एंड स्पोरोफिल आपके प्रेजेंट होते हैं मेल एंड फीमेल कोन में और मेल फीमेल कोन को ही हम क्या कह रहे हैं? स्ट्रोबिली. ओके. इन जिम्नोस्पर्म अ लीफी ग्रीन स्पोरोफाइट generate cone containing male and a female gametophyte. क्योंकि कोन में क्या है? स्पोरेंजिया है और स्पोरेंजिया के अंदर स्पोर्स हैं और स्पोर्स आपके क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं? मेल गैमेट और फीमेल गैमेट. I told you that microspores and megaspores, microspores male gamete and megaspores female gamete. Okay, understand it. Male and female cone, male and female strobili which have sporophyll. Sporophyll have sporangia. Spore within sporangia spores are there. I hope you understand. Okay, female cone are bigger than male cone. Mark it. Female cone are bigger than male cone and are located higher in a tree. A male cone contain microsporophyll. कोन में क्या, मेल कोन में क्या प्रेजेंट रहेगा? मेल कोन में माइक्रोस्पोरोफिल प्रेजेंट रहेगा जिसके अंदर माइक्रोस्पोरेंजिया होगा. माइक्रोस्पोरेंजिया में आपके माइक्रोस्पोर्स जर्मिनेट होंगे, माइक्रोस्पोर्स फॉर्म्ड होंगे. ओके, फर्स्टली यू राइट मेल कोन, फिर मेल कोन में आपका माइक्रोस्पोरोफिल, माइक्रोस्पोरोफिल में माइक्रोस्पोरेंजिया और माइक्रोस्पोरेंजिया में माइक्रोस्पोर्स. अंडरस्टूड? और ये माइक्रोस्पोर्स आपके क्या है? मेल गैमेट्स एंड प्रोड्यूस मेल गैमेट्स. ओके, एंड लेटर कैरीड बाय द विंड टू द फीमेल गैमेटोफाइट. नाउ इन फीमेल गैमेट्स मेगास्पोर्स are produced in gametophyte structures called archegonia located in ovulated cone. Again student, in this female cone also, female cones have megasporophyll. Inside the megasporophyll megasporangia and inside the megasporangia megaspores. Okay. Okay. Now student, fertilization in gymnosperms occur when pollen gain contact in the female ovule and germinate, and sperm cell make their way to the egg inside the ovule and fertile the egg. Student, you can understand by this figure, this is a young male cone of Pinus. Okay, this is a young male cone, and after doing the longitudinal section of this male cone, what we see? Microsporophyll. This one is microsporophyll, and inside the microsporophyll, microsporangia. This complete sac-like structure is microsporangia, and inside this microsporangia you can see the microspores, pollen grain, microspores. Okay, microsporophyll. Inside the microsporophyll, this complete one is microsporangia. Inside the microsporangia, so many pollen grain or microspores are present. And here you see the longitudinal section of mature female cone. Female cone, megasporophyll with ovule. Okay, megasporophyll. Here you see this is a longitudinal section of mature female cone. Okay, this one is megasporophyll, and this megasporophyll with ovule. Here you see ovule. This one, megasporophyll with ovule. Okay, and inside this ovule, megaspores is formed, egg cell. Now you can understand by the life cycle of gymnosperm. Okay, firstly this one is a sporophyte plant body. Okay, in this sporophytic plant body, the male and female cone is in this sporophytic body, the male and a female cone is present. Okay, the male cone have pollen cones, that means megaspores are formed inside this male cone, and this is seed cone, female cone. It have megasporophyll and with ovule. Here you see ovule. Okay, seed cone. Now ovule have megasporangium, then megasporocyte. This one is megasporocyte, and the covering is integument. Okay, this is a male cone, and inside a male cone have megasporophyll, inside megasporangia, and inside pollen grain, microspores. Microspores is haploid. Okay, and this megasporocyte is divided and form archegonium cells. Archegonium cells formed egg cell. When this microsporophyte produce the germ cell, germ tube, okay, it fused with the egg cell and form zygote. Okay, it formed zygote, and zygote formed embryo, and ovule form seed. Here you see zygote form embryo and ovule form seed. Okay, store food and seed coat. So ovule formed seed and zygote developed into embryo. Then the seeds form the new sporophyte plants. This is all for today. I hope you understand. This is the life cycle of gymnosperms. Also, you can understand by this diagram reproduction in gymnosperm.